Welcome to my channel. It's grammar time. Okay, take your pens. And take your grammar books. Open your grammar books. And be ready to write down the rule of present continuous tense. Okay, present continuous tense. Why do we use present continuous tense? Number 1. We use present continuous tense for an action which is happening now or at the moment of speaking. Look at the example. Look, Mum and her son are doing his homework. She is helping her son. He is writing. Number 2. We use present continuous tense for a temporary action. This is when we speak about the period of time. Look at the example. Hi, I'm Joan. I'm working as a waiter during this summer holidays. Number 3. We use present continuous tense for fixed arrangements in the near future. This is when we arrange a meeting or a trip or a doctor's appointment or a beauty appointment. Look at the example. Look, she is flying to Paris tonight. She has bought a ticket. Number 4. We use present continuous tense with the word always or constantly to express the annoyance. Look at the example. Mum and Dad are angry. Their daughter is always leaving her clothes everywhere. How to form present continuous tense. Look at the formula of the positive form. Is plus verb with the ending ing, am plus verb with the ending ing, are plus verb with the ending ing. This is verb. For example, let's take the verb to study. I am studying or short form. I'm studying. You are studying or short form. You're studying. He is studying or short form. He's studying. She is studying or short form. She's studying. It is studying or short form. It's studying. We are studying or short form. We're studying. You are studying or short form. You're studying. They are studying or short form. They're studying. Look, I'm dancing. Jane, you are cleaning today. Sure, Mrs. Collins.
Look, this is my friend, John. He is coming to me.
Hi, Maria.
Look at my mum. She is sitting and watching TV. Look at the tree. The apple is falling. We are clapping.
So, boys, it's time for break. You are having lunch.
Mum, look. They are waiting.
Yes, my dear. They are waiting for their flights. Look at the formula of the negative form. Isn't plus verb with the ending ing. Am not plus verb with the ending ing. Aren't plus verb with the ending ing. For example, let's take the verb to read. I am not reading, or short form, I'm not reading. You are not reading, or short form, you aren't reading. He is not reading, or short form, he isn't reading. She is not reading, or short form, she isn't reading. It is not reading, or short form, it isn't reading. We are not reading, or short form, we aren't reading. You are not reading, or short form, you aren't reading. They are not reading, or short form, they aren't reading.
Let's sing a song.
Two funny rabbits are hopping away, hopping away, hopping away. Two funny rabbits are hopping away, hopping away today.
Two funny ducks are flying away, flying away, flying away. Two funny ducks are flying away, flying away today.
Two funny sheep are running away, running away, running away. Two funny sheep are running away, running away today.
Stop. You are singing so loudly.
We aren't singing. We are playing.
Okay. Kids. Hi. Jane. You are singing so loudly.
I'm not singing. I'm working.
Okay. Jane. Dad. You are singing so loudly.
Oliver, I'm not singing. Look, she is singing.
Look at the formula of the question form. Is, then subject, then verb with the ending ing. Am, then subject, then verb with the ending ing. Are, then subject, then verb with the ending ing. For example, let's take the verb to play. Am I playing? Yes, you are. No, you aren't. Are you playing? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Is he playing? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Is she playing? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Is it playing? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Are we playing? Yes, you are. No, you aren't. Are you playing? Yes, we are. No, we aren't. Are they playing? Yes, they are. No, they aren't.
I'm in Italy in this picture. Look, I'm eating a big ice cream. Yummy.
This is me in Germany. It's very cold, but I'm having fun. Look, I'm skiing. This is a photo of me at our school concert. I'm playing the violin.
There are some secrets which help you to use present continuous tense. They are now, at the moment, tonight, these days, today, still, always, currently, nowadays. Ending I, N, G. 1. Most verbs adding I, N, G. For example, studying. 2. Verbs which end E. So this E drops. Plus I, N, G. For example, having. 3. We double the last consonant. If we have one stressed short vowel between two consonants, for example, running. Four. Verbs which have the ending ie. So, these I, E, drop, and add y, plus I, N, G. For example, lying.